Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to announce that I'll be opening the enrollment finally for the third batch of my e-commerce and digital marketing training. So this is a bootcamp and mastermind for freelancers and aspiring freelancers. And this is for you if you are a virtual assistant who would like to level up your freelancing career independently, or if you are an employee who aspire work freedom while making more than what you currently earn, or if you are currently jobless and want to explore freelancing as a new career path. And lastly, if you are a complete newbie who doesn't know anything about e-commerce, who doesn't know anything about digital marketing or freelancing, but you know how to use Facebook, Google search, or essentially you know how to use the internet. This is not your typical e-commerce, digital marketing, and freelancing training because starting with this batch, I will be sharing a whole lot more about freelancing. So I will share with you guys my 7 steps to professional freelancing, which may shift your mindset, how you view freelancing as a profession. And as I always share to my trainees, e-commerce and digital marketing is a very broad space. So I will be teaching and guiding you how you can craft your own freelance niche. You know, Crafting winning freelancing proposals for direct clients by Upwork bidding strategies, it's all included in the training as well. And of course, the usual lessons for e-commerce and digital marketing have been updated and refreshed. So we will be touching new areas as well, such as conversational commerce and the use of media apps as a storefront, sales funnel design, digital marketing strategies design for e-commerce businesses or for your freelancing business, and among other things. By the way, my name is Bert Padilla, and I'm a professional freelancer and the founder and owner of TekWorx Digital. I'm also a certified e-commerce trainer and a resource person and assessor for the Digital Jobs program of DICT. If you are up for the challenge, join me and let's transform your online goals to reality. Click the link in this video for more details and how you can register, and I'll see you in the bootcamp.